Hello, my name is Lucas Gibbons. I am a member of the Catechesis of the Good Shepherd Confirmation Program. Thank you for joining me today for your daily message. Today, we are talking about care of our common home. Pope Francis has called us as a church to remember that God created Earth, but it is our responsibility to take care of it. Did you know that every year, millions of tons of pollutants enter our atmospheres, forests, and oceans? Did you know that our neighbors and poverty-stricken areas are impacted first by pollution? Continued harm to our environment will lead to dangerous ecological damage. We as a community need to band together and do our part in preventing this from happening. Here are some things you as an individual or family can do to help. Recycle your paper, aluminum, glass, and plastic products. Stop using plastic bags, plastic water bottles, plastic coffee stirrers, and choose reusable products instead. Recycle your electronics, such as old phones or old appliances. Recycle your batteries and use rechargeable ones instead whenever possible. Replace your incandescent bulbs with LEDs. Save energy resources by turning off lights when you leave a room and by taking shorter showers. Remember to maintain your vehicles and shop locally. And help our CGS class collect used markers in our box in the gathering area, which we will work with our schools to send to Crayola to be recycled. All brands of markers are accepted. If we can do these things, we can protect our beautiful world. We can stop oceans from rising and prevent global warming. We can take care of all the wonderful gifts God has given us, our neighbors, and future generations. On behalf of the Catechesis of the Good Shepherd Confirmation Program, thank you for listening and have a great day.